Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin found its local bottom at around 80,000, and since then, we've seen a strong bounce, pushing the price up to 85,000. When I uploaded my last video, it was still uncertain whether that level would hold. But in the last few hours, Bitcoin has been scaling higher. This entire dump was fueled by the traditional stock market crashing. Just look at what happened to the S&P 500 since last Tuesday. A 5% drop in an index with a market cap of almost 50 trillion wiped out $2.5 trillion. That's nearly the entire crypto market cap, which stands at around 2.9 trillion right now. It's more than the market cap of Bitcoin, Google, and even Amazon. That's massive. This was potentially triggered by new tariffs between the EU, China, and continued tariffs with Canada and Mexico. However, today, Mexico announced they are open to negotiating to avoid their 25% tariff, which the market took as positive news. The SPX pumped 2%, adding over $825 billion back into the US stock market. This bullish momentum rubbed off on Bitcoin, fueling a much-needed relief rally back to 85,000. During the drop to 78.2 thousand, I added margin and set conditional limit orders to protect my long positions. If the worst had happened, I would have been ready, but fortunately, we avoided disaster. I also opened small longs at 81.2 thousand for Bitcoin and $144 for Solana. Both are in profit. I didn't post these entries in my Discord because they were too risky to call out, but right now I still think this is a decent area to enter if you believe, like I do, that the bull run of 2025 will continue. I came across some interesting charts floating around social media comparing Bitcoin's current cycle to previous bull markets. One chart visualizes Bitcoin's price performance across multiple cycles, showing how a $100 investment grew from the bottom of each cycle. The blue lines represent the 2015 to 2017 and 2019 to 2021 cycles, while the red line shows our current 2023 to 2025 cycle. Historically, Bitcoin follows a pattern of accumulation, breakout, and parabolic growth after the cycle bottom. The current dip mirrors what happened in the 2015 to 2017 cycle. Another comparison looks at Bitcoin's price action in 2024 and 25 versus 2020 and 2021. Both charts highlight a consolidation phase after an initial rally, and in the past this led to a massive breakout. If Bitcoin follows the same structure, we could see significant upside in the coming months. But of course, history never repeats exactly, and macroeconomic conditions still play a crucial role. There's also a table tracking Bitcoin's biggest correction since September 2010. Unlike traditional markets, where deep pullbacks of 20% or more usually signal a bear market, Bitcoin can still see huge dumps even in a strong bull market. The most recent correction was from March 14th to August 5th, where Bitcoin dropped 33% from $73,798 to $49,314 over 144 days. If historical patterns hold, a full recovery could happen by November 6th. The worst drop ever happened between November 30th, 2013 and January 14th, 2015, when Bitcoin crashed 85% over 410 days. The longest recovery period was after the 2017 peak, taking 1,079 days to reach a new high in November 2020. Despite all these crashes, Bitcoin has always recovered and gone on to set new all-time highs. That's why I remain bullish on the long-term trend. I'll keep you updated daily. If you want to catch my real-time trading thoughts, join the free Discord. If this video gave you value, hit the like button. Subscribe and click the bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.